update video to the Twisted Motion Turbo. It's almost 3 years now, and yeah, the car's still running. The turbo still performs well. The yacht. Yeah. 이거 주문 짜게 그거 뭐 타요? This is my nephew's 240. He plastic dipped his car. Got those clear lens. Yeah, when I finish installing the new transmission, I'll probably do another test drive in like 2 weeks or so. But yeah, this turbo's holding up. It's a great turbo. Probably gonna get new injectors for it. Yeah, I'll do a review on the injectors. Probably gonna get a 5.0. My nephew also got 5.0 on his SR20. Doing an aluminum radiator. And waiting on my HKS exhaust. That's for some reason everywhere in the state in Japan are out of stock, and it's a 3-month wait. So I might get a Spec D first. So look forward to that. So thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.